Here's your guys' water doing this. Not that much pressure. So this won't go, once you take this off, because this is what you're gonna do is take this off. Get a thick pin. It stops it, doesn't go in. What you're gonna do is take this off. What tends to happen when you have a no pressure is this starts to get dirty in there. So what you do is take it off. Make sure you clean this out. It looks good. See that? Hard pressure. Now, clean it out here. You want to make sure it's all clean in there. Ooh, I don't know if you can you see your flashlight?
Yep.
You can look in there. See that right there? That's all clogged up. Juice up. Look at that. You guys see this stuff right here? See that? Now you want to take all that out. That's what causes your slow. Look at that. That's what causes your pressure to be slow. Low pressure, yeah. You want to clean it all out. Make sure you get it all out. Look at this. Look at that. You might have that in there. That's what's your pressure's so low. You see your light again? See all that, all those little sediments in there? Make sure you clean it out really good. And then connect this back in there. It might not be 100% clean. Let's see it out. We'll check it out right now. There you go. That's your pressure.